subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Fairphone has launched its new disposable phone in the Europe called Fairphone 3 Plus, and it is made up of 40% post-consumer recycled plastics. The Fairphone 3 Plus comes with the modular design, which allows hassle-free repairs or upgradability of the phone. And for this, the company has provided a small screwdriver inside the box that helps to swap the parts of the device like camera, speaker, display and other parts. Talking about the specifications, the Fairphone 3 Plus features a 5.65-inch Full HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 400GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Fairphone 3 Plus supports a single 48MP rear camera with f1.8 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the thick bezel at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 and it houses a 3040 mAh removable battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158 by 71.8 by 9.89mm and it weighs around 189 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Fairphone 3 Plus has been priced in the Europe at €469, and the smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in black color option, and it will go on sale in the country starting from September 14th. So, what do you guys think of this Fairphone 3 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.